I'm not gonna lie, you
I swear, we didn't do anything.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
I'm a burping machine.
You're fake British.
Ah! That's a weird feeling. Excuse me. Wait.
Oh my god, stop. Both of you.
Yo, baby girl.
Conquer the world.
The world is under our control now.
Oopsies. Excuse me.
Nasty bitch.
I know, right? Thank you. I'll make videos of this.
Background.
Man.
Yo, do you want to have a burp battle?
Burp battle? Burp battle? Yes. Burp battle. Oh yeah. Burp battle with this monkey. Alright, my turn.
Yeah, boy. Look at this sexy monkey. Boy, I got you, shorty, baby, pussy slay.
Sounds like it's the equivalent of shitting yourself. That's how long it lasts.
Oh, I'll keep that in mind. I'll sit on this little beesflower. Excuse me.
Was that you?
No, it was this bee right here.
I don't believe that was the bee. I think it was you.
No, it was this bee. It was this little bee.
What the dog doing?
It's DJ. I thought you left hours ago, bro.
Ponytail. What the fuck?
What?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, dog, come.
Bro, that is... He's amazing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I can't do it anymore.
Happy birthday, dear motherfucker. Happy birthday.
Excuse me.
And this is the song that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. Some people started singing it not knowing what it was, and now continue singing it forever just because. Yamate kudasai o nichi no jichin daisuki
Burp got on top.
Oh lordy mighty Jesus, fuck me in the ass cause I love Jesus. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z, motherfucker.
Yummy.
This cleared.
Sheesh.
Damn, bitch, you nasty.
Is there something else I can help with?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Another round of applause.
I'm impressed. I'm...
Impressed.
Oh my god, sorry. I didn't mean to burp at you like that. Oh my god. Excuse me. Alright, that was actually fucking long as shit.
God damn.
Yeah, right.
It's never ending.
What?
I won't.
Oh, she burped. I know that.
No.
That's the scariest part so far.
Bruh, I wanted to stay on the ride.
Yeah, this shit was fucking busted.
Hi.
You know.
Excuse me.
Yo, what's good, shorty? It's alright, baby girl. I'm concerned about you too, honey, man.
Excuse me.
I just let myself suffer.
Suffer.
Oh my god.
I see you looking back. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Come here, give me a high five.
Excuse me.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Thank